Look at my little walker go. Go, little fella. Go, little fella. Look, Knox is using his walker, Katie Bug. Let's get in front. Here. Come on. Come on, Knox. Come on, come this way. Come on. Yay. Woohoo. Say, I got this. Oh, did he scare you, Owen? Come on, Knox. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's his very first time in the walker. Well, being able to move anyway.